Hi, puppies. Hi, puppies. Hi. This is a little girl. This is a little girl. Oh, she's gonna suck on my finger. And then this is the little boy. Look at how pretty he is. Look at the multicolors. This one's already sold. And this one, Belle, is already sold. So she has a collar on. But these guys are still looking for good homes. They'll be very small. Not very small like a Chihuahua, but they'll be pretty small. Hi. Hi, pretty girl. Hey, handsome. This is the one we call Big Bertha. Because she's a chubby girl. Oh. She's also kind of shy. And him, Jake, is what we call him. He is not shy. He likes to wag his tail and play. Belle likes to whine, so. And this is the pretty girl that nobody ever plays with, or we play with her, but whenever people come and look, they don't really care. And she's such a pretty girl. Oh, yes you are. Look at you. What? Wait. Huh? Wait. Where are my fingers? Oh, you like to bite my fingers. What sweet puppies you are. Oh, thank you. Oh, see, they're so playful. If anybody's interested, just contact me and we can set something up. Thank you. Bye. Bye, guys. Jake. You might eat the curtain?